Damn kuffar. Allah the Almighty only wants the best for you. He knows the mind and free will He gave you could not possibly make decisions on its own. It didn't evolve, see? It was made to fail. And that's why He sent 3 books to clear things up. He wanted you to reject the first 2 because the true message is in the Quran. Obviously, we couldn't have been moral all at once. You see, the people before Islam were ignorant. Galen and those other thinkers are just a myth. They got it all wrong, 'cause ever since the Quran, look how much better society has become. Muhammad's marriage to Aisha only breaks the barrier of age and proves that age is just a number. Women nowadays only wish they were as responsible as that 9-year-old girl. See, she was big for her time. Allah loves women so much, He gave her freedom of being labeled property. She's what His right hand possesses, and we all know that the right hand is more sacred than the left. If women were all Muslims, we wouldn't have rape, you see. Allah specifically ordered her to cover her hair, wrist, and ankle bones, so this kind of thing doesn't happen. Allah, creator of all things, made the devil, which drives these homosexuals, and we're told by Allah to kill all those who follow the shaitan, who doesn't have the same power of Allah, because Allah, if He wanted to, could stop all this. But He's testing us to see which one of us He created the best, and He knows all things. He knows who's going to heaven and who's going to hell. You must be blind to ignore all the signs of Allah, unicorns, floating stones, talking ants, and resurrected donkeys. Submit now before you die. Free your mind of thinking and just accept Allah and His book before you feel the punishments of the grave. The Quran is from Allah, even though He forgot to sign it. I promise you, you won't regret it. Come back to Islam, sister. Heaven is full of milk and honey, and I want to see you there among my 72 virgins. You damn kuffar. No matter how much logic you throw at Islam, you can never change it. It's protected by Allah.